Let's talk about how I got my first analytics job. We haven't met yet. My name is Luis, and I'm here to help you break into data analytics or improve your analytics skills. So let's start with my background. I do have a bachelor's degree in management information systems, which is basically a tech degree in a business school. After I graduated from college, I started a job at a Fortune 50 company as a junior IT business analyst. It was a pretty typical IT business analyst role. I was in charge of requirements gathering, QA testing, and our work intake processes. After about a year and a half of doing that, I got pretty bored and I started talking to some of my peers about their roles. And one of my friends told me about her role in analytics and how she had just gotten a Tableau certification using a course from Udemy. I always enjoyed the analytics classes I took in college. I just didn't get a chance to do any internships in analytics to get real-world experience. So I went home, and after some more research, I decided I wanted a role as a data analyst for my next opportunity. So I got to work. I got the same Tableau certification course that my friend did to learn all the basics, and I would spend an hour or 2 hours every evening going through it and practicing. I started doing the Makeover Monday and Workout Wednesday challenges that I've talked about on here before to work on my skills. I started going to Tableau user group meetings to meet more people in the field, and after a couple of months, I got my big break. One of my work friends told me that one of the employee organizations he was part of needed a project done in Tableau and asked if I was interested, and I jumped on the opportunity. This was my first time doing a real-life analytics project. I met with stakeholders to learn more about what they wanted. I explored the data set. I did all the necessary data preparation, asked questions about the data, went through rounds and rounds of iterations to really nail the look and functionality of the dashboard. And after all that, we published it to be used by the employee group, and it was a complete success. About a month after that dashboard went live, I got a LinkedIn job alert notification for a data analyst role in the same company I was working at, and I applied immediately. The interview process was pretty standard, had star questions, and I was also able to show off both my Tableau public portfolio and the dashboard I had built for the employee group. And within a couple of days, I was notified I had the role. And the rest really is history. I learned some more SQL, I picked up Python, learned Power BI, Alteryx, and within 5 years of that first data analytics job, I was promoted to a senior analyst and then an analytics manager, and currently my wife and I are on a year-long sabbatical to see as much of the world as possible. Let me know if you have any questions and follow me for more data content.